Welcome to session 44 of Accounting 1 subject for the BBA first semester. In this class, we are going to learn how to solve a problem which is based on rectification of errors prior to the preparation of trial balance. The question given here is rectify the following errors assuming that there is no suspense account but trial balance is in process. We have not finalized the trial balance. We are still in the process of preparing the trial balance. So some of the errors have been detected. The bank overdraft of rupees 1,08,000 was not included in the trial balance. That means the bank overdraft balance has been completely omitted. This is an error of omission which can be corrected by merely showing it in the trial balance or adding it up in the trial balance. This does not require a special journal entry. Then a credit item of rupees 2,750 was posted to the debit of a personal account. Credit ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So this particular error has to be corrected, but this does not require a journal entry. Rupees 10,000 spent on extension of godown was posted to repairs account. A capital expenditure on extension of godown has been charged to repairs account, which is a nominal account. Carriage of rupees 1,000 paid on the purchases of a machine was debited to carriage account. So any carriage paid on purchase of an asset shall be added to the cost of the machinery, whereas here it has been wrongly debited to carriage account. A payment of rupees 5,000 for the rent of the private residential quarters of the proprietor was debited to rent account. So rent paid for proprietor's house is been charged to business's rent account. So the rent paid is actually drawings for the proprietor, whereas it has been debited to business expenses account. The balance of the cash book was overcast by 300. So while balancing the cash book, the total has been overcast by rupees 300, because of which cash figure is showing excess cash of 300. The cost of scooter purchase for the business of rupees 40,000 was debited to traveling expenses. Again, it's a question where the capital expenditure has been charged to revenue expenses account. Eighth one, goods amounting to rupees 500 were returned by a customer and were taken into stock, but no entry in respect of which has been made in the books. ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆದ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಕಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ನ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. And the last one, rupees 1,500 return off as depreciation was debited to machinery account and credited to depreciation account. Depreciation written off should be credited to machinery account. Instead, it has been debited here, and depreciation account should have been debited, which has been credited. So there's double effect here. So we have to take relevant action so as to correct these mistakes. Now let us see what we can do with each of these errors. The first error, it's an error while preparing trial balance. So there is no problem in the journal entry nor account. It is only that we have missed recording the balance or bank overdraft in the trial balance. So you have to simply add it in the credit side of the trial balance so that we can correct this totaling mistake or correct this mistake. The next error is one-sided error again. So in a personal account, instead of crediting the account, it has been debited. So it has got double effect, because something should have been credited, instead it has been debited. To remove the debit effect, one credit should be given for 2,750, and to give the real credit effect, another 2,750 should be credited to the personal account. So the personal account which requires rectification shall be credited to an extent of rupees 5,500. The next error is about the expenses spent for extension of the godown should have been debited to buildings account. Rather, it has been debited to repairs account. ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ತಪ್ಪು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ತಪ್ಪು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರಿಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು repairs account rupees 10,000 is the rectification entry. The next one is carriage paid on the purchase of machinery has been debited to carriage account. Again, carriage paid on purchase of machinery is a capital expenditure which should be debited to machinery account. Wrongly it has been debited to carriage account. To remove the wrong debit, carriage account should be credited and machinery account has to be debited with the amount of rupees 1,000. Rent paid for the private residential quarters of the proprietor should be debited to drawings account. Instead we have debited it to rent account. ಓನರ್ನ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಅದು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದ ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಹಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ, ಸರಿಯಾದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ತಪ್ಪಾದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟದನ್ನು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ rupees 5,000. The next transaction is where the cash book balance has been overcast. So it requires no journal entry. So it can be merely rectified by crediting cash account with that excess rupees 300. So debits total has been casted more. So hence by giving credit to cash account, the total can be reduced to the extent of rupees 300. Next, it is all about vehicles account to be debited because the cost of scooter purchase has been debited to traveling expenses. Cost of scooter is nothing but an asset which has been purchased. So it should have been debited to asset account. Instead, it has been debited to traveling expense account. To remove this wrong debit to traveling expenses account, the traveling expenses account has to be credited. The asset purchase should be debited. So asset account should be debited to traveling expenses account rupees 40,000. The next error is about recording the goods which has been returned by the customer, which has not been done till now. So a journal entry for return inward should be passed. Return inwards account debtor to customer's account rupees 500. So the goods are been returned. So the customer has to be credited because he has returned the goods and his account will be reduced to the extent of rupees 500. And the last one, where the depreciation should have been charged to machinery account and machinery value should have been reduced, whereas the entry has been reversed in the books. So machinery account has been debited, depreciation account has been credited. Rather, it should have been depreciation account debtor to machinery account because depreciation is a loss and it has to be debit all expenses and losses. So depreciation account has to be debited, whereas machinery account should have been credited. As we have given wrong entries on both the sides, the effect will be double. So 1,500 for removing the wrong debit given in the machinery account and 1,500 to provide for the depreciation on the particular asset. So depreciation account shall be debited with rupees 3,000 and machinery account shall be credited with rupees 3,000. We will learn more about providing rectification entries prior to the preparation of trial balance in the next video. Thank you.